Hello everyone and welcome to another Bliss Tech Solutions Tuesday's Tech Tip. This week is another quick one and it's about keyboard shortcuts in Teams. So Teams has a variety of keyboard shortcuts that basically can save you time if you could take the time to learn them, and stops you looking around trying to find things, clicking, moving your mouse, and all that irritating stuff. So the first thing you need to know is the command Control and full stop, because that will bring up a list of all the possible shortcuts you can use within Teams, and you can see here there's quite a lot. Obviously I'm not going to go into all of these, but let's say that you wanted to create a new Teams meeting. You can use shortcut keys for this. So you need to be in the calendar first, and to get into the calendar it's Control and full. And then to create a new team, it's Shift, Alt and N. And that will create a new, not create a new team, but it will create a new Teams meeting. So you can see using the shortcuts can quickly speed up the tasks that you perform very often. Another short tip for you there. I hope you found it useful.